Hey guys, if you are using any type of red light device, I highly recommend that you get this red light meter from Amazon. This is the cheapest red light meter that I can find. And what this thing does is it measures the 660 and 850 wavelength from your devices, and it calculates the energy density that you get per 10 minutes of treatment. These two are the first red light devices that I purchased from Amazon, and I just realized they're not really outputting enough energy to give the therapeutic effect that you're looking for. Okay, so let's measure this one as an example. You can see right now that this mask is only outputting 0.063 milliwatts per centimeter squared of 660 nanometer light and basically nothing of 850 nanometer light, and that's equivalent to 0.03 joules per centimeter squared. And in order for you to have a therapeutic effect for your mask, you need to have between 5 to 8 joules of energy densities. Okay, so now let's try this one on. So I actually put this on the highest setting. And for this particular one, we are getting at least 0.56 milliwatt per centimeter squared of the red light and 0.027 milliwatt per centimeter squared of the infrared light. If you wear this for 10 minutes, you only get 0.35 joules per centimeter squared of energy density. And you can see on my red light therapy mat, I'm getting around 15 milliwatt per centimeter squared of red light, or that's equivalent to 9 joules per centimeter squared for every 10 minutes. Okay, now if I go to the invisible light or the 850 wavelength, you can see that I can actually get 30 to 35 milliwatts per centimeter squared for 10 minutes of treatment, or that's equivalent to 21 joules per centimeter squared. So if you have any type of red light device, I highly recommend getting this red light meters so you can get an idea on how much time do you really need to spend for your treatment, and also to know if your red light device is just outputting red light without any therapeutic effect for you. So I highly recommend getting something like this if you're into red light therapy.